My name's Enlli, I'm 20 years old and I decided to do an apprenticeship because I went to university for a term and I decided that the lifestyle wasn't for me. I didn't enjoy the way it was presented or anything. So I still wanted to do my qualifications, but I also wanted to go down a different path. I work for Gwynedd Council doing my apprenticeship. I still work there at the moment. I work in the care finance department. I completed that out of working full-time while also completing my qualification, the AAT qualification on the side. Cyngor Gwynedd, they gave us extra support where we started our apprenticeship. So when we first came in, they gave us expert sessions, so the head of the department would talk to us about their experience working and what they do and everything. So I feel like that gives you an insight into working in the offices. It just gives you something different than what you already know. So I feel that that was very supporting. I'd recommend an apprenticeship to my friends because I feel like you get to be a part of a team and you get to meet people in college, you get to make more friends and everything, and it just gets you out there. For me, the best thing about doing an apprenticeship was it was basically just a full package of everything I was looking for. You can earn your wage, you can get your qualifications and get the work experience you need to just be that one level up.